GS just finished construction on its 80,000 square foot expansion. We've just went from 115,000 square feet to 195,000 square feet, where we think that we can more than double our capacity for future, so we're going to be in this home for a long time.
The primary aspect of the expansion gives us the ability to streamline our work process flow a lot better. We've had to move out our cab build assemblies to another building. We do a lot of our electrical control solutions here. Having everybody in one spot always makes for a better communication platform.
Anytime you've lived in a house or a building for many years, you start to say, well, why did we do that? Why can't we change that? And oftentimes we do, but there's certain functional limitations with any facility. So once we expanded and we could rethink a number of production lines, we could rethink a number of processes, how material flows through the building. And I think that's really exciting for us to have a new opportunity, a new look at how we work, why we work the way we do.
We've expanded in our ability to do full systems builds, whether that be a cab, whether that be a whole seat assembly, whether that be really production, large armrests and pod assemblies. So we have very many cells going forward. Now we can really show that process flow, and the ability of what we can build will be quite a bit clearer. And that includes, full armrest and cab assemblies. And really the cab assemblies, I think, is where the critical part comes in, because they're so complicated. They have a lot going on, and I think a lot of people don't really realize that we have the ability to solve a lot of problems.
We have more than doubled our paint capacity. We've added lifting cranes for most of the areas now, expanded test stand capabilities, an interior wash bay where we can do all our large washing in a self-contained station with reclaiming the water. We have also expanded the potting room, where we have climate control, where we do all our potting now, and we've added a new quality lab. I fully expect that we're going to gain at least 15–20% efficiencies with the new space, with the improved product flow, with the movement, with the new equipment, that we're going to make our employees that much more efficient.
The people here at GS make this business go, and so having a fantastic facility to show up to work in every day is exciting to me, and I hope exciting to them. I understand the commitment and the hours and the effort that everybody puts in to making this business a success for our customers, for GS as a whole, and frankly, I'm pleased that they've got a great place to show up to work every day.